Living in a micro-apartment often feels like navigating an endless game of spatial chess. Every piece of furniture competes for a few precious square inches, and a single misplaced item can make an entire home feel claustrophobic. Yet, compact living does not have to be an exercise in compromise or claustrophobia. Through the thoughtful application of spatial alchemy, the art of using minimalist furniture and strategic layout techniques to manipulate perception, you can turn the tightest interior footprint into a surprisingly open, tranquil, and sophisticated sanctuary. The secret lies not in filling every available corner, but in curating an environment where form, function, and empty space coexist in perfect balance. Rethinking scale, the art of proportional curation. The most common pitfall in small space interior design is a fundamental mismatch in scale. Standard-sized furniture, designed for suburban family rooms, will instantly overwhelm a compact living area, making the architecture feel cramped and awkward. Minimalist design counters this by prioritizing proportional curation. Instead of a massive, deep-set sofa, select a piece with a shallow depth, crisp tailoring, and slender armrests. By choosing furniture that aligns naturally with the scale of the room, you maintain comfortable traffic paths and create immediate visual breathing room. A low-profile silhouette allows the eye to travel across the entire expanse of the wall, subtly exaggerating the room's height and making the ceiling feel meters higher than it actually is. Maximizing the vertical canvas, beyond floor-bound furnishings. When horizontal floor space is strictly limited, the surrounding vertical planes become your most valuable real estate. Floor-bound furniture anchors the eye at ground level, creating a feeling of heaviness and density. Transitioning to floating or wall-mounted designs fundamentally alters how space is experienced. A sleek, wall-hung credenza serves as a media hub while keeping the floor completely bare beneath it, visually extending the boundaries of the room. Wall-mounted drop-leaf tables, floating bookcases, and integrated shelving units provide crucial functionality without stealing a single inch of floor space. Elevating your furnishings off the ground draws the eye upward, celebrating the total volume of the room rather than focusing strictly on its physical footprint. Strategic transparency. Utilizing materials that dissolve. In a minimalist apartment, the physical mass of an object matters just as much as its dimensions. Heavy, dark hardwoods, dense upholstery, and solid cabinetry absorb light and act as visual blockades. Incorporating materials that offer optical transparency or subtle reflectivity allows light to pass through furniture uninterrupted. Clear acrylic accent chairs, tempered glass coffee tables, and slim metal wire frames functionally fulfill their purpose, while virtually disappearing into the background. Similarly, mirrors strategically placed opposite natural light sources act as artificial windows, bouncing sunlight deep into the room and reflecting the surrounding decor to create an instant illusion of doubled depth. Dual-purpose design. Unlocking hidden utility. Minimalism in a micro-apartment is never merely aesthetic, it is intensely practical. Every furniture selection should justify its presence by offering versatile, multifunctional utility. A sleek, upholstered bench placed along a wall can serve as casual seating, double as a coffee table when topped with a wooden tray, and open up to reveal concealed storage for extra linens or electronics. Lift-top coffee tables transform seamlessly into ergonomic dining surfaces or remote workspaces, eliminating the need for a dedicated desk that would otherwise clutter the room. By relying on pieces that adapt dynamically to your daily routine, you dramatically reduce the total number of items required, maintaining a clean, uncluttered aesthetic effortlessly. Negative space as a key element. In traditional interior decoration, empty space is often viewed as a void waiting to be filled. In minimalist design, negative space is celebrated as an active, vital design element. Leaving deliberate gaps between furniture pieces, opting for open-legged designs, and maintaining clear pathways allows both light and physical movement to flow naturally through the room. This intentional restraint creates a sense of luxury and calm that dense, overly decorated rooms simply cannot replicate. When a room is allowed to breathe, the carefully selected furniture pieces you do own take center stage, creating a cohesive, curated environment that feels tailored, restful, and surprisingly spacious. Transforming a compact apartment living room into an expansive-feeling haven requires a shift in perspective. By embracing low-profile silhouettes, leveraging vertical surfaces, incorporating light-passing materials, and valuing negative space, you transcend the physical limitations of your floor plan. Minimalist living room design proves that micro-living does not mean living small. It means living intentionally, beautifully, and without compromise.